Hello everyone, especially the people of crypto Twitter. This is Ali Mastan, and I'm someone who has worked in the crypto space for the past 3 years, and I've worked in roles across marketing, growth strategy, and all. And today I'm here to speak about something which is content. And like I've made content, I've made a lot of content. I've made a content for brands, people I've worked with, events, and I've made a different types of content like whatnot. Like I've went on roads, done roadside interviews with people. I have done long form podcast videos. I've done online podcast. I've done funny skits where I have played a particular character, like one of my characters being Munna, one of my character being a gangster person who does not know about crypto, and an Uncle Ji, Poopa Ji, like all that sort that connects with the people. But the problem is that I've never done it for my own self. Because I always think यार I can do it for others but अपने लिए शायद नहीं कर पाऊंगा like a lot of doubts come into your mind कि like लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा कि नहीं, whether the people will be able to relate to that, whether I'll get the following I need, whether people want to see me or not, like all these kind of doubts. But now I think यार these are just overthinking, because I love to be in front of camera. Like whatever I'm doing now, I am loving it. I love to connect with people. I love to make content. I love to be myself. I love to educate people, and that's why I have made a resolution now that no matter what, I'll come into front of the camera and try to share the knowledge that I have gained, and we'll try to learn along with you guys. I know because I don't know everything, but I can learn, and if I'm learning something, why not share that with you guys? So this is how my journey will start, and I'll try to focus more on the video content part as well. एंड यार टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मुझे नहीं पता किस बारे में कंटेंट बनाना है, क्या लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा क्या नहीं लगेगा, एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे जो अभी मैं अपना लाइक ट्विटर ग्रो करना चाहता हूँ इसमें. बट आई जस्ट नो दिस वन थिंग, आई लव दिस and I want to come on camera, speak, and make content. So we'll figure that out in the way. And if you guys have any suggestions, do put that forward. What content should I make? Content should I not make? And but the theme is only going to be Web3, crypto, and AI, and some daily things that I do in my life and my experiences I'll share. So yeah, this is it. And do definitely support me, guys. And a lot of good content will be coming your way. And if you have any suggestions, do give that forward. Thank you, because it has taken a lot of courage to come in front of camera and speak this. And yes, this is how it is. Thank you. Looking forward to connecting with you all.